doggy dryer. So basically, there are currently no heated dog mats on the market. This entire term, we've developed a mat for dogs to use and their owners. I have a dog at home, and one of the problems we have is when he comes inside in the winter and he has snow all over him, and we're trying to figure out how to get it off. So the biggest challenge with my dog is to try to dry him off and keep him, you know, engaged and wanting to stay like on a mat. And he loves heat. And so we thought if we took like a heating component and put it, incorporate it into a mat, we could try to make it so the dogs would want to stay on the mat better and dry them off better in winter conditions. And so we've tested with a lot of different dogs, and they all love it. They love staying on the mat. They love the heat. So there's a zipper that runs around the top part of the mat, so you can unzip it and you slide in the waterbed heater. And then there's a rubber base that you can detach as well. This makes it so the owner, if they want to wash their mat, they can take the base off of it. And then there's also these heated side towels, which you can slip underneath the mat. So if you want to heat the towels, the dogs love it. They love the warmth you get from it. So these kind of can go underneath and also rest on the top of the mat. And then we have our temperature monitor, which you can set the temperature for the mat. We usually recommend about 90 degrees for the mat is like the optimal temperature, but you can set it to what you want. And there's a sensor right here that slips underneath this cover, and it monitors the temperature of the mat, and it makes sure it stays at a constant temperature, so it's not going to overheat, it's not going to harm the dogs. We also have an app that you can turn the mat off remotely. So if you're walking your dog, you can turn the mat off and just like have it ready for when you get back. Our biggest challenge was probably trying to come up with a solution that dogs would enjoy. We tested with a bunch of state-of-the-art products, and for the most part, a lot of them the dogs were kind of agitated by and didn't enjoy. I think we made a solution that dogs love to use and their owners are comfortable with, and yeah, we're proud of it.